Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just a reminder that what I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a closer look at Rogers, specifically their website at www.rogers.com. Navigating the site, you'll quickly discover that Rogers offers a comprehensive suite of telecommunication services, encompassing mobile phone plans, internet access, and cable television packages. Their homepage serves as a central hub, showcasing featured promotions and providing quick access to various sections of the site. Users can browse through different plan options, comparing features and pricing to find the best fit for their needs. Detailed information regarding coverage areas, available devices, and current deals are readily available for exploration. Rogers also emphasizes customer support, offering various avenues for assistance, including online chat, phone support, and a comprehensive FAQ section. Beyond their core services, the website features a blog and news section, keeping users informed about the latest technology trends and company updates. The site is designed with user experience in mind, offering intuitive navigation and a clean interface. While exploring www.rogers.com, it's apparent that they strive to cater to both individual consumers and business clients, with dedicated sections for each. Potential customers can explore bundled packages that combine multiple services for added value and convenience. The site also provides access to self-serve options, empowering users to manage their accounts, view bills, and troubleshoot technical issues independently. Furthermore, Rogers highlights its commitment to community involvement and corporate social responsibility, showcasing initiatives and partnerships within dedicated sections of the website. Their online presence effectively communicates their brand identity, emphasizing innovation and customer centricity. Overall, the Rogers website at www.rogers.com offers a comprehensive resource for exploring their services and managing your account. It provides a wealth of information and resources, making it a valuable tool for existing and prospective customers alike.